Traders, August 22nd, 2018. It's after the market close. Going to report on BIOAQ, BioAmber Inc. One may ask, why am I reporting something that practically is going to bankruptcy? They're still in the courts. There's still a process going on, from my understanding. Remember, it looked like she was heading higher over here, but the trading language was broken due to not receiving an individual, well, a company, to purchase their assets or put in the offer that they wanted or were willing to sell for. So now they're in the courts, but the stock's been trading here this whole time. However, there's support right here that was created. All this. See all this? This was created. We see higher lows, right? And then we see lower highs. Let me just back this up. Okay, I'm sorry, we see higher highs, right? So we had one right here, and then we just had one right here. Now this is resistance, obviously. But this reversal, traders are taking a look at. And if she breaks, and I believe she will, she'll go higher. Maybe she'll chase up this gap or try to trail it up. Now, in theory, most stocks need to fill their gap. Not close their gap, but fill their gap. And this is in theory. It could happen in one day. It could happen in 50 years. But this is the theory, okay? Will it do it here? It's possible. I know a lot of traders are looking at the stock right now as we speak. It seems like it's a hot play as far as a trade. You know, I'm not saying a nickel's out of the question. I'm not into holding something like this overnight. If you're going to trade this throughout the day, this might be a great buying play for the day. As far as a target rating, she is a buy according to chartists and technical analysis traders. As far as other individuals, you know, it's filing for bankruptcy. Depends what happens. Anything's in the air. But it does look terrible just because right now, from my understandings, there are no offers, and there's been some time till the news has been released of what's going to go on. Are they selling their assets? If they are, who they're selling it to? Are they liquidating? Are they selling half? Are they liquidating the other half? Like, what's the deal? No one knows, so it's in the air. However, traders are looking at this as a technical standpoint, as a chartist, chart pattern play, time frame trading. All these types of traders are looking at this as a buying opportunity just because of this huge reversal play right here. All this into today. So we'll see what happens. I believe she's headed higher for a short-term period of time. Depending the outcome of the court, it will be determined. Just wanted to bring this to your attention because there's definitely eyes on this as a buy rating. So let's see what happens. You know, the most important thing for her to go higher is if she opens up where she closed, or opens up anywhere higher just from where she closed today. That's a key factor. If she gaps down, she's out of play. The whole point is for her to open where she closed today or open up higher, meaning a gap up. If she gaps down, this uptrend could be out of play and she'll continue to go lower. So traders have an eye on her, and we'll see what happens starting tomorrow morning at the market open moving forward. I honestly believe it should happen sometime by tomorrow's trading day, or by by Friday, the latest. Monday might already be too late, and if it doesn't happen then, it's not happening, this up move. So stay tuned. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, if you want to learn trading tactics like this.